started off at our workplace. It was an Engage for More. So it was one place where we both hate to work, but we have good memories about it because that's the place where we began our story. We had a lot of things to talk. As normal couples, they say that they're endless and they have no topic that they can't. There's nothing that they can't talk. So there's a lot to talk that we had. That's how we grew. That's how we said let's connect and let's start a life also together.
Two worlds collide with our hearts on the line. We were young and naive. We were wild, we were free. And I don't wanna leave your arms.
आता मला प्राजक्ताचं म्हणजे पहिलं जेव्हा कॉलिनचं प्राजक्ताचं कळलं तेव्हा मला असं खूप खास आवडलं नव्हतं की आपली कास्ट वेगळी आहे, यांची वेगळी आहे, आमची वेगळी आहे. पण नंतर एकंदरीत कॉलिनचं आणि आला जेव्हा जवळ जसा जसा कॉलिन आला तसा तसा आम्हाला कॉलिन आवडायला लागला की नाही एकदम चांगला परफेक्ट मुलगा तिला मिळाला आणि मला स्वतःला एकदम परफेक्ट जावई मिळाला. म्हणजे मला जसा जावई पाहिजे होता तसा मला जावई मिळाला.
Our time has come. Every song has been sung. When the fire's burning low, I still want you to know. And I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you. I just wanna stay by your side. I'm falling, still falling for you.
I think she would really eat dal chawal every day if she had the choice. So I'm very happy for both of you. I don't think anybody else would match up to each other as much as both of them do. So Colin is very lucky to have her.
Absolutely.
And I hope she is also lucky to have him.
I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you. I just wanna stay by your side. I'm falling.
कॉलिन एक मस्त चांगला आणि बेस्ट जिजू आहे जो एवढा प्रेमळ आहे ना, सगळ्यांना समजून घेतो, चिडत नाही तो, सगळ्यांना समजून सांगतो. खूप चांगला आहे तो. आणि त्या दोघांना मी विश करतो की खूप हॅपीनेस मिळावे त्या दोघांना, म्हणजे सगळे विशेष पूर्ण व्हावे.
And we found that guy very good, very हेल्पफुल नेचर. छान वाटलं मला. मग आम्ही विचार केला तिच्या फॅमिली आम्ही एक भाऊ असले का आणि मी पण त्यामुळे त्या डिसिजनमध्ये होतो. विचार ठीक आहे, विल गो फॉर इट. प्रायक्ताबद्दल बोलायला गेलं तर ती खूप हेल्पफुल नेचरची आहे. सर्वांना थोडी राग पटकन येतो तिला, पण सर्वांना घेऊन चालणारी आहे ती मुलगी. आणि फॉर बोथ ऑफ दॅम आमच्या मी आणि माय मिसेसचं ब्लेसिंग्स आहेत. अँड वी आर देअर फॉर बोथ ऑफ दॅम टिल देअर एंड ऑफ देअर.
चूज केला आहे लाईफ मॅटर इतका सुंदर व्यवस्थित आहे, खूप छान आहे आणि मला त्या दोघांबद्दल खूप गर्व आहे. आणि कॉलिन तर खूप चांगला मुलगा आहे, व्यवस्थित, आणि त्यांचं आता याच्या पुढचं वैवाहिक जीवन खूप चांगलं जावं हीच इच्छा.
I think that is the best part about us is that because even though we have like a lot of differences between each other and because we've been brought up in quite different ways, but still the one thing that we have learned is that love just overcomes everything.
But yes, that is what connects us as well, because where there are differences, I think that's where we match too.
So message for Prajakta and Colin, here it goes, like spread more and more and more Misal Pav throughout the world so that the world could recognize them as I love someone. Keep contacts of 2-3 mental hospitals ready.
Stay awesome, stay blessed forever.
Our adventure could be termed into the best of things, worst of things as well. Just with words, I think so we have a commitment to each other, we have a responsibility towards each other, and I think so we say for the rest of our lives that we have to keep ourselves happy, but now we have to say we have to keep each other happy, and she's been the magic for me, so I think so that's gonna be the biggest adventure that I will have, so I will keep our magic alive always.
There's a world we know and there's a world we live in and there's a world we create. I hope you create a beautiful world. All the best. Thank you so much for calling us here and God bless you.
To calling us.
And to calling
We are so glad and so happy to be here. Nobody gives us a damn. Thanks to you people for sharing this happiest moment of your life with us. All the best. Have a good and a happy and a healthy life. Thank you. Colin.
All the best, Colin. All the best, Raju.